With Etsy and Aweber, you can sell your Etsy products right inside an email. First, under integrations, we're going to collect available integrations. We can search for the one we want, or just so happens Etsy's on the front page right here. Once we've connected the integration, we'll be able to select which list our new Etsy customers are added to, and even add a tag if we want to for further segmentation. With the connection all set up, when we're in an email, we just need to drag the product element in there, and you'll automatically be able to pick items from the Etsy drop-down menu. Now, these are any items you already have in your Etsy shop. So we'll choose one of those. And in our email, you'll see the product image, description, and price is automatically added. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.